If your plugs keep falling out of an outlet because it feels loose, you gotta fix it fast before it turns into a bigger headache. So, first off, check if the outlet itself is loose on the wall. Sometimes the mounting screws get loose over time, making the whole thing wobble. Grab a screwdriver and tighten those screws gently but firmly. You don't want to strip them. If tightening doesn't help and the plug still won't stay in, it might be time to swap out the whole outlet. Replacing an outlet is pretty straightforward. Turn off the power at the breaker, unscrew the old one, note how the wires connect, and then attach them to the new outlet just like before. Make sure the wires are wrapped tight around the screw terminals or pushed fully into the back if it's a push-in style. When you put the outlet back in, secure it snugly with the mounting screws so it doesn't wiggle. Also, check if the plug itself is worn out. Sometimes old plugs lose their grip and need replacing. And remember, if you're not comfy working with electrical stuff, it's totally cool to call a pro for safety. One of the biggest mistakes people make with loose outlets causing plugs to fall out is ignoring the problem until it gets worse, which can lead to sparks or even fire hazards. Fix that by tightening screws or replacing outlets as soon as you notice looseness. Another issue is not turning off the power before working on outlets. Always flip the breaker switch to avoid shocks. Lastly, some folks try to force a plug back into a damaged outlet instead of replacing it, which can cause damage to both plug and outlet, so don't do that, just swap it out. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find reliable local contractors who actually know their stuff when it comes to electrical work and other home fixes. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a cool place to get more jobs and connect with people looking for help around their homes.